tonight. Can they maintain their record against probably the best goalkeeper in the world? Zenden will begin the penalty shootout for Liverpool. Then set the wrong way. Penalties that West Ham took against him at the end of last season's FA Cup final. Good save! Ball. Yes! Shot! Smashes it in. Liverpool's regular penalty. Gerrard picks it top. Liverpool lead by 3. Celtic count. He has only just joined the semi-final. Specifically to take this penalty. Raya saves again! Max Porro once more! And Dirk Kuyt has the chance to send it to Athens. Dirk Kuyt denied bylines from slack during the game. Has done it! Liverpool's love affair with the European Cup continues. They just can't keep their hands off it. A magnificent 7th final awaits. No other English club comes close to Liverpool's record in this competition. They already have a European Cup of their own, and now they have the chance to win it yet again through at Anfield this season. It is turning into a woeful week for Chelsea.